Hey all, let's try this the fifth time. Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today I have an unusual idea that I wanted to do for this video today. I'm involved with a cocktail group on Facebook, and there's a particular lady on that group, her name is Michelle, who actually comes up with a lot of very good ideas and a lot of good original cocktails. Just this week, she posted a cocktail. She called it the Lemon Floral Gin Sour, and it's her original cocktail. It looked excellent to me, but to be honest, I haven't had any time, been working too much, and I haven't had any time to mix this, to taste this ahead of time. But we're going to go ahead with it today, mix it up, and see what it tastes like. Before we get started, do me a favor if you would please hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss a single episode of the show. We would love it also if you could comment below. Let us know how we're doing or if you have an idea for the show. So let's get started with this cocktail. Again, I've never done it before, so I might fumble a little bit, but we're going to get through it and we're going to give it a taste and see how it goes. Lemon Floral Gin Sour. I'm going to start out with 3/4 ounces of simple syrup. This is what she calls for, 3/4 ounce simple syrup. We're going to go with 1 full ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 full ounce. After that, we're going to pour in 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice, 3/4 ounce. Okay, for our spirits, we've got this Saint Germain. She calls for a 1/2 ounce of Saint Germain Elder Flour liqueur. This stuff is really, really beautiful, beautifully flavored, very sweet, very lovely. Just a 1/2 ounce. And then we're going to go with 2 full ounces of gin. Now, in her recipe, with all due respect, she used Hendrick's Midsummer Solstice, I believe it was called. Hendrick's Midsummer Solstice. Say that 5 times. I looked it up on my phone. It's very floral gin. We don't have it here, but I do have this Monkey 47 gin, which is also an extremely floral gin, so we're going to substitute for that. But if you want to go with her recipe, use a floral type gin. If you have the Hendrick's, that would be good. But we're going to pour in 2 full ounces. Now she also requires a pinch of salt. So I have a little bit of salt down here, so we're just going to throw in a little bit of salt. And set this to the side. This is also a sour, so we're going to have an egg white. Hopefully I can do this right. The egg white's going to get your nice foam on top of your cocktail glass. That worked out good. Now, with a sour, anytime you use egg white, you always want to give it a real hard, dry shake. That will emulsify the egg white with the rest of the ingredients in your tin. Well, I'm not going to start over, but the tin released a little bit and it kind of got everywhere, but we'll just do a little quick cleanup on aisle 1. Now that we've emulsified all of our ingredients together, I'm going to get a little ice in the tin and we're going to give it a shake with ice. Alright, that went better. I can't get it apart.
And look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Woo! I'm going to take a break after that. Alright. I got a nice cocktail coupe ready to go. Again, I've never had this drink. I've never made it yet. I've got two size coupe. I got one a little bit smaller and I got one a little bit larger. I believe with what we have here, it'll fit nicely in this particular larger coupe. Give it a nice strain, see what we get. That worked out pretty nice. There you have it. Lemon Floral Gin Sour. My wife's holding up the little sign behind me so I can make sure to read all the ingredients, and she didn't have it up in time. Lemon Floral Gin Sour. It looks good. We got a nice froth on top of the glass from the egg white from the sour. See what we get. That's pretty good, Michelle. That is pretty good. I like it. It's a little on the sweet side. It's not spirit forward at all. Get a lot of the floral notes from this Monkey 47 gin. The sweetness from the elder flour. The orange juice kind of sweetens up that lemon juice a bit, and then 3/4 ounce of simple syrup sweetens it up too. But that froth on top from the egg white really makes for a beautiful mouthfeel. Real creamy type texture to the drink. It was real good. It was very good. A little bit on the sweet side, but real good. Thank you for watching today. We certainly appreciate it. I had fun today. Thanks, Michelle, for that original cocktail. You can find us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also hit us up on Instagram at SLB Drinks. But as always, we ask you to please drink responsibly. See ya.